AiRob Expert is an AI-based visual solution for controlling the manufacturing quality of high-tech products. It offers out-of-the-box visual quality inspection, requiring no expertise in vision solutions or AI. It is easy to set up and scale, making it suitable for various demanding use cases. The system combines an optical system with innovative AI algorithms, enabling it to self-adapt to changes in the product under inspection without the need for machine vision experts. AiRob Expert can be deployed in a few hours and requires from 1 to 30 good samples only. It can be integrated with existing automation systems, MES or ERP, and is ideal for inspecting the components on PCBA or final assembly of the product. AiRob Expert is a solution designed to oversee manual production processes. There are many visual inspection solutions on the market, but the advantage of an AiRob Expert is that it doesn't require programming. By training the AI with examples of both flawless and defective products, it learns to accurately distinguish between them. AiRob Expert can be integrated with manual workstations, conveyors, and also with robotic arms, which significantly enhances inspection capabilities, increasing the likelihood of detecting potential defects. At Fideltronic's factories, we place around 60 million THT components per year. Over the past 8 years, we've gathered a vast amount of real production data. No matter how many components are assembled at a station, the inspection time remains around 1 second. And it's worth noting that the number of elements we can inspect can reach several thousand. Fideltronic has implemented close to 60 AiRob Experts across its production lines. Within just a few years, we've seen a noticeable decline in customer complaints at Fideltronic, along with a reduction in internal production defects. In January, we might produce 100 units of a product, and in November, we may have to produce the same 100 units again. A human operator simply can't recall all the details, but AiRob Expert remembers the entire production run and all the defects from January, and is able to apply this knowledge in the November run. What we provide to the client is a workstation with our know-how. Anyone can train their own AI networks. Our philosophy is simple: fix the problem before it becomes a costly defect. We've reached the point where creating and configuring a new inspection program takes about 10 minutes. Manual operations and similar processes exist in many factories around the world. Solutions like this can be tailored to the specific needs of each client.